Hej og velkommen til Jul med Jønsson 15. december. I dag har jeg en meget speciel gæst her i studiet, så derfor vil det her afsnit faktisk blive på engelsk, fordi hun har taget straight from London. Jeg præsenterer Rosa Lina. Welcome to the studio.
Hi.
Very nice to have you here. So, what do you call this in English?
I am not really sure.
Here you go. You can have another one if you like.
Lovely.
You want another?
I do. Not in my face.
That's... So, nice to have you here in the studio.
Yeah, I feel all sticky. It's wonderful.
So, tell me about your English traditions.
My English tradition.
About Christmas.
Ah.
I've had a German guest here and he told me some nice stuff with the war. You know what?
Well, that's brilliant.
Well, so, we're going to have your 24th of December with your family.
We do it on the 25th.
You do?
Yes, we do.
How often do you see your family then?
Every 3 months.
Really?
Yeah, not too far away.
So, but do you have your Christmas evening with them?
Yes, we do.
Also this year?
Yes, I've actually never had a Danish Christmas.
Oh, you should try that. We have flood balls.
Yeah, I'm already pretty fond of them. They make me happy. Lovely.
Okay. Anyways, we have this. Do you know what that is?
It's clear liquid. Is that schnapps?
It's water. And it's not.
Oh, this feels
not
nice.
vodka. It is normal water.
Okay.
So I have another challenge. This one's easy. This is empty. I will do no more for now.
For now. I'm on guard the whole time.
This is really awkward. So, you like beers, I know.
I've been...
I will not put this one in your head.
Thank you.
Maybe. We have
Didn't
to...
know we did shots of beer here.
We will.
Oh.
So, cheers on that.
Go.
And we will have another. I'm shaking for some reason. There you go. We will take 6 of these each.
Oh, great.
Yeah, great. Do you know why we are doing it? Do you think this is appropriate
I'm
for
covered in all kinds of liquids
for
right
Christmas episode?
Yes.
It is.
I feel really Christmassy.
This is
right
to
now.
set the mood.
Definitely.
We'll take some more. We'll do 3 more.
I lost my hat.
Can you tell me why I'm shaking on my hands?
Maybe you're afraid.
Not really. Do you think this is rart og lækkert?
Oh, yeah.
And 2 more. So, here you go. 1 more.
Yeah, I think.
And we will do another one. Are you going to clean this when you're done here?
No, I am not.
Why not?
Well, I'm not the one who started shoving floorball at people.
Okay, that was nice. Here we go. Was not nice. So, do you want our viewers to get some extra points today?
Okay.
How should we do that?
What do you have in mind?
Well, they could guess the color of your underwear.
Okay.
So, you can undress now.
No, that would ruin the mystery.
Okay, so you have to be honest then.
I will, I promise.
But can they see? Maybe not.
No, not in what I'm wearing.
Okay, so let's say 4 points if they can guess your color of the bra.
Okay.
How do you say that? And 5 points for your...
Yes.
You can do that. That's some extra points for you. That's really nice. So, every time I have a guest on the studio here, I ask them for an advice. about Christmas, how to avoid Christmas stress.
Okay.
What is your English advice?
Probably drink as much as you can.
That's the best advice.
Yes, that's how I do for every Christmas.
Then we must take a shot again.
Great, I'm so happy.
I'm following
Dribbling everywhere.
I'm following your advice. So, where are you going this New Year's evening? I heard you were going to
Prague. It's my birthday.
Oh, isn't that a crappy day to have birthday?
It's a horrible day to have a birthday.
You have some white stuff on your hair?
You have some brown stuff right here.
Yeah, okay. Shall we taste some Christmas beers?
Okay, let's do
I
it.
have this one here. It's called Skagens Bryghus Gårdnisse.
Gårdnisse.
Do you know what Gårdnisse means?
Nisse. Gårdnisse.
It means like a farm elf.
I understood Nisse.
So
Farm elf.
this one is on, I don't know how many percent. Doesn't say. 6%.
Okay.
So it's fairly weak. I hope I have. What do you call this?
Bottle opener.
I will then use the bottle openers.
Ooh.
I have some real glasses for us here.
No, so we're not doing shots anymore.
We are, but for now we will just.
Oh Christ.
So you will just get a small glass. Here we go.
Yeah,
oh,
small glass.
Oh, here we go.
It's nothing.
So we have to give this beer some points. Do you think it's good or bad? Or taste it?
Alright. Let's go.
Oh, it's pretty much the worst beer I've had ever. Oh.
It almost tastes like coffee mixed in with it.
I was more thinking about an old fish.
Could be that too. Maybe
Okay.
a bit of both.
Okay, that's really, really a bad one, this one.
Yeah.
Would you do me the honor of rolling the dices
Okay.
while you are here?
I can do that.
If I get the dices for you.
Yes, you may.
Oh, I have a present for you before you leave.
You do.
I do. I have a light bulb for you.
It's just what I wanted.
That's for all your bright ideas.
And is this the sort of thing you do in Danish Christmas?
No. It's only for you.
Only for me. Well, that's beautiful.
I'll get some dices for you now.
I will hang it on my wall.
If you will just entertain the audience for the next 10 seconds, I'll get some dices for you. Here's one dice.
This is delicious.
Where are the rest of the dices?
There's somewhere around there.
You can have this one as well. Try not to mess it up too much.
I can't help it. I'm covered in flubber.
You are. Here's dice number 2.
Lovely.
And since I cannot find the last one, you will get a random one. Here you go. It's a green one.
Perfect. Can't tell the difference.
Let's put some music on, some Christmas music, and you can roll the dice 5 times. Here you go.
Okay.
Don't mess it up.